Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How do you feel today? I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, before we start study, let's be praying together.
Stand up, please. Okay, my friends, let's pray now. Finish. Greeting to the teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sit down, please.
I will check your attendance, please. Ali Alatas, Anang Aditya, Dina Fitriana,
Present, ma'am.
Dwi Arianti, Dwi Putri, Zahra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, finish. Anyone else absent today? No. Okay, I think this time to ice breaking. Ready to ice breaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Please stand up. Ready? Okay.
Zero pace, relax in the ride. All of the parts so clean and right. Let them subtly bleed little bits of you see. I got zero pace, relax in the ride. All of the parts so clean and right. Let them subtly bleed little bits of you see.
Now finish. Okay, ice breaking is very good. Okay, before we start study, I want you to remember about the last lesson last week. Asking and giving opinion. Who can give example about asking and giving opinions? Yeah, Naila? How about candy? Anyone else? Anyone else? Apa Risna?
I think candy is sweet.
I think candy is sweet. Ya, great ya. Jadi poinnya asking and giving opinion itu kalimat yang bisa kita gunakan pada saat kita ingin memberikan pendapat kepada orang lain. Today we will study about suggestion and offer. What is suggestion and offer? Saran and tawaran. Okay. Have you ever to give a suggestion to someone? Pernahkah kalian memberikan saran kepada orang lain? Pernah. Kepada siapa? Kepada orang tua, teman, ataupun sahabat. Oke. Tujuan pembelajaran kita dari yang namanya offer suggestion ini coba lihat tayangannya. Apa di sana? Tujuan pembelajarannya number 1, melalui tayangan video, peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, and unsur kebahasaan, teks, interaksi transaksional terkait saran dan tawaran sesuai konteks penggunaannya. Itu number 1 ya, tujuannya pertama itu tadi ya. Number 2-nya, kalian bisa mengidentifikasi berbagai ungkapan yang digunakan dalam memberikan saran dan tawaran. Tahu mengidentifikasi? Memilih-milih ataupun membedakan kalimat yang ingin kalian tanyakan menyangkut saran dan tawaran. Itu number 2 ya. Number 3-nya menerapkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan teks interaksi transaksional terkait saran dan tawaran sesuai konteks penggunaannya. Understand? Jadi apa? Tujuan pembelajaran kita yang pertama dari offer suggestion ini apa? Nah, kalian bisa mengetahui ataupun mengidentifikasi struktur kebahasaan dari apa tadi? Offer suggestion. Terus kalian bisa juga membedakan kalimat yang bisa kalian pakai untuk menawarkan suatu benda ataupun lainnya, ataupun menawarkan pendapat saran kepada orang lain. Oke? This is a video. You can identify about this is video. Jadi silakan kalian tonton video ini.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to the Speak English Club YouTube channel. In this learning video, let's talk about expression, offers, and suggestions. Dalam video pembelajaran kali ini, kita akan membahas secara tuntas tentang expression of offer and suggestions dan bagaimana membuatnya lalu menggunakannya dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke, langsung aja ya teman-teman. Kita akan mulai dengan how to suggest terlebih dahulu. Bagaimana sih mengungkapkan sebuah suggestions itu? Oke, sebelumnya kita akan bahas dulu apa sih yang dimaksud dengan suggestions. Oke, to suggest means to give a suggestions that is to introduce or propose an idea or a plan for someone's consideration. Suggestions are abstract and can be in form of solution. Kalau kita udah belajar bagaimana cara mengungkapkannya, sekarang aku mau ngajak teman-teman untuk melihat video percakapan tentang bagaimana memberikan tawaran dan saran dalam bahasa Inggris. Simak videonya berikut ini.
Hi Jono, what's the matter? You don't look so enthusiastic with the lesson today. I was so bored. Too many assignments to do. I don't know where to start. Oh, who are you? May I help you? Really? Sure. Why not? Thank you. It's very kind of you. No worries. By the way, I think you need a break. Why don't we go fishing after school? Well, that's a good idea. I love fishing. I know you do. Okay then. I'll pick you up at 4.
Nah, gimana teman-teman? Setelah menonton contoh percakapan tadi, mudah kan? Semoga video pembelajaran kali membantu ya. Tapi jika teman-teman masih bermasalah atau masih belum ngerti juga, teman-teman boleh kok memberikan pertanyaan di kolom komentar. Oke? Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tadi kan kalian sudah kasih video tentang offer suggestion. Kira-kira di kepala kalian sudah terbayang belum offer itu yang seperti apa, suggestion itu yang seperti apa? Apa? Can you give example about suggestion? Apa tadi suggestion? Saran. Kalau offer? Tawaran. Can give me example about offer and suggestion? Ada yang bisa? Raise a hand. Ayo. Pete. Raise a hand. Give example about offer and suggestion. Ayo. Fitri, raise a hand. Siapa? Naila, Kaila. Ayo Nay.
What do you suggest we do for our weekend plans?
What do you suggest we do
For our weekend plans.
weekend plays? Kira-kira menjawabnya seperti apa? Ya, Pete.
I suggest we go hiking if the weather is nice.
I suggest
We go hiking if
we go hiking. I suggest we go hiking
the weather is nice.
if the weather nice. Anyone else yang bisa memberikan contoh tentang oversuggestion? Jadi, oversuggestion itu banyak nak ya. Kita bisa menggunakan, misalnya kalian ingin menawarkan suatu hal kepada orang lain. Misalnya kalian ingin, misalnya ini ya, si siapa? Anang. I suggest you to go to doctor. Apa artinya, Nang? What do you say? I suggest you to go to the doctor. Kalau misalnya acceptingnya kalian bisa menjawab yes, of course. Misalnya refusingnya no, I didn't. Oke? Look at the presentation. Materi suggest and offer ini berada di KD.3 ya. Pengetahuannya seperti apa? Menerapkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan teks, interaksi transaksional, lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Sedangkan pengetahuannya KD.4-nya, keterampilannya KD.4-nya menyusun teks interaksi transaksional, lisan dan tulis pendek dan sederhana yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait saran dan tawaran dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteks. Paham sampai di sini? Understand? Understand about offer and suggestion? Different about offer and suggestion? If no question about offer suggestion, please kalian membagi kelompok ya. Bagi kelompok untuk kerja LKPD kita. Tugasnya nanti ya ada 2 poin. Yang pertama kalian mengerjakan tugas dari LKPD. Number 2-nya kita membuat dialog dan presentasi dialog in the front of the class. Waktu yang kita pakai untuk mengerjakan LKPD itu sebanyak 15 menit. Terus presentasinya itu juga sama. Membagikan ayo, berkelompok. Sudah? Kalian perhatikan LKPD-nya, lihat. Jadi waktunya yang kita pakai yaitu 15 menit ya. Silakan kerjakan tugasnya dan buatlah dialog tentang suggestion and offer and practice in the front of the class. Okay? Kerjakan, buatlah dialog dalam waktu 15 menit tadi. Any question about suggest and offer? Bisa kan? Cuman cu saja. 2 dialog saja. Pokoknya itu atau siapa? Pokoknya berdua. Any trouble? Ready? Finish? Jika selesai, sudah dijawab semua itu? LKPD number 1. Tugas yang pertama tadi yaitu kita mengerjakan soal ataupun mengidentifikasi yang mana itu kalimat over and yang mana suggestion. And activity 2-nya, please practice a dialogue in the front of the class. Ready? Dialog 1. Kelompok siapa? Naila sama Fitriani Salini. Please stand up please and practice your dialogue. Attention please, your friend in the front of the class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, good morning. Morning. I want to practice dialogue about over and suggestion from group 1. My name is Naila Ramadan and my friend.
My name is Fitriani Salini.
Sandra. Hi Julia, do you have a plan for the weekend?
Julia, no, I have no plan yet.
Sandra, would you like to go to the beach?
Julia, I think it's not good idea. Why not we take cooking class? I think would be fun.
Sandra, cooking class? That sounds good.
Finish?
Yes.
Can you replay?
Okay.
Understand about your presentation, your friends?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your friend presentation dialogue about suggestion and mau ditanyakan kembali? Mau dicoba kembali? Okay. Thank you, Naila and Fitri.
I think that's our presentation from group 1. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning class. Morning. I want to presentation about expression offer from group 2. My name is Elavia and my friend Billy. You wrap confusion what to meter.
I have decided my English project. It's with tomorrow.
Billy, how if we do it together? Do you mean if I help you?
But that sounds great. It would be very helpful. Thanks you.
Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
This dialogue about apa? Suggestion ya? Next, dialogue number 3 from the group
Hari, I'm fine. Finish hand my English project is due tomorrow. Willie, how if we do it together? Do you mean if I help you? Hari, that sounds great. I won't be very happy. Thank you. Okay, thank for your attention.
Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next from group 4. Siapa? Anam. Siapa? Anam sama siapa? Rizna. Oh, Rizna. Nomor apa? Look at me. Yang dalam, look at me yang dalam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. Morning. I will presentation about expression suggestion from group 4. So, my name is Lutfi Oktaviani.
Is Anakia. Do not complicit what measure.
I haven't finished my English project. It due tomorrow.
Or if we do it together, do you mind if I help you?
That some great. It will be very helpful. Thank you. Thank for you attention. You. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke ya. Finish from the practice dialogue. Apa yang kalian tangkap dari presentasi teman kalian tadi? Apa? Apa di sana?
Contoh kalimat target.
Ya, contoh dari kalimat suggestion and over. Nah, jadi dari presentasi tadi kalian sudah bisa membedakan ataupun mengidentifikasi apa yang namanya kalimat over atau yang namanya kalimat suggestion ya. Dari presentasi tadi dan dari yang namanya penayangan PPT tadi, ada yang kalian belum pahami? Ada yang mau tanyakan? Any question about suggestion and over? Any question? Any question about suggestion and over? Jadi poinnya tadi apa? Suggestion itu kalimat yang kita gunakan untuk memberikan saran kepada orang lain, baik itu ide ataupun pendapat ataupun tawaran over, nak. Ya. Terus kalau overnya itu kita menawarkan kepada orang lain, baik itu yang kalian tawarkan itu benda ataupun hal-hal yang lain ya. Itu pengertian dari saran dan tawaran ataupun suggestion and over. And then it is assessment. Kalian boleh kerjakan nanti dan kumpul to To me? Nih. Kalian tadi kan sudah belajar dan sudah menonton video tentang suggestion over. Who can make conclusion or summarize about suggestion and over? Who can give conclusion or summarize about material today or a lesson today? Conclusion about suggestion and over. Who can raise a hand? Ya, Naila.
I think conclusion about suggestion is suggestion or recommendation or idea give to someone to help them make a decision, and offer or expression or willingness to help or profit something to someone. Using suggestion and offer appropriately enhances communication and strengthen interpersonal relationships. Good focus on helping and providing idea in a positive manner.
Ya, jadi tadi Nay, jadi suggestion or recommendation or ideas given to someone to help them make a decision and over or ya. Sedangkan overnya tadi apa di sana? Expression of willingness to help provide something to someone. Ya. Finish? Understand? If we want you to make a sentence about suggestion, about over, you can and already? Ready? Okay. Please write your reflection in this paper. Nih. Reflectionnya ya, penggayaan ataupun remedial. Next week, we will study about invitation. What invitation? Do you know about invitation? Apa invitation itu apa? What about invitation? Do you know about invitation? Apa? Surat undangan. Jadi minggu depan kita akan belajar tentang invitation atau surat undangan. Jadi kegunaan dari surat undangan jika kalian mau mengadakan event-event tertentu ataupun acara-acara tertentu, misalnya kalian mau ulang tahun ataupun mau nikahan ataupun surat yasin, kalian boleh menggunakan yang tadi apa kata mem tadi? Invitation. Okay, I think that's all before we finish the class. Please say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Doa.
Stand up, please. Okay, my friends, let's pray now. Finish. Greeting to the teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.